मॉनसून क्या है? मॉनसून इज अ विंड। मॉनसून क्या है? इट इज अ विंड which have मॉइस्चर। और मैंने आप लोगों को बताया, क्या बताया है कि जब भी कोई मॉइस्चर लेडन विंड्स क्या है किसी भी बैरियर के साथ टकराएगा तो वहां पर क्या होगी? बारिश होगी। ओके ओके, अब चलो मॉनसून की बात करते हैं। तो मॉनसून की जब हम लोग बात करेंगे तो हम लोग पढ़ेंगे क्या? हम लोग ये पढ़ेंगे कि इन द मंथ ऑफ व्हाट? इन द मंथ ऑफ मे एंड जून till April. So in the month of May and June, we experience what? We experience extreme of heat. Okay, and we experience how much of heat? We experience as much as heat. On 15th May, you got what? You got summer vacations. Summer vacations of 45 days because the weather conditions are too hot there. Okay. So in the month of what? In the month of May and June, in the northern hemisphere, in the northern part of India, in the northern part of India, like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. So it experiences what? This area experiences extreme heat. Okay. There is also a wind which is blowing from Rajasthan to the parts of western Uttar Pradesh. That wind is dry and hot. What is the name of that wind? Loo. That is blowing from Thar desert. Okay. But it means कि यहाँ पर जो टेम्परेचर है वो क्या है? बहुत ज्यादा है, बहुत ज्यादा एक्सट्रीम ऑफ क्या है? टेम्परेचर। अब उसकी वजह से क्या होता है? उसकी वजह से यहाँ पर लो प्रेशर क्रिएट हो जाता है। इट मींस व्हाट? व्हेन देयर इज अ हाई टेम्परेचर ऑटोमेटिकली क्रिएटेड व्हाट? लो प्रेशर। मैं शायद पहले बता चुका हूँ, विंड ब्लोज ड्यू टू द डिफरेंस ऑफ एयर प्रेशर। एंड उसके बाद क्या है? उसके बाद ये है कि द एरिया नियर द इंडियन ओशन they have got less temperature, means what? High pressure. Air move from high pressure to low pressure area, then monsoon wind comes, that is known as what? Southwest, from southwest direction, southwest monsoon. And वो wind क्या है? strike first, सबसे पहले strike करेगी केरला, then later on move करेगी on the, ठीक है, upper parts of India। बारिश कहाँ होगी? जहाँ जहाँ जैसे यहाँ वेस्टर्न घाट से पहले रोड बारिश होती है, ऐसे बारिश होती चली जाएगी। बारिश हुई एंड इन द मंथ ऑफ व्हाट? मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, बारिश के बाद मौसम हो गया ठंडा। ठीक है, और ठंडा होने के बाद टेम्परेचर व्हाट? डिक्रीज। व्हेन टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज, प्रेशर इंक्रीज, it create a high pressure on this region, and after that what? After that this create a high pressure, this create a low pressure, then wind start moving from high pressure to low pressure area, that is known as retreating of monsoon। In the retreating of monsoon, heavy rainfall on the shores of Tamil Nadu। Okay, तेलंगाना and Kerala, ठीक है, उससे लेकर, ठीक है। तो दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ मॉनसून। इट इज अ वर्ड, इट इज अरेबिक वर्ड, मींस वर्ड मौसम। ओके, तो अब मॉनसून हो गया, रेडिएटिंग ऑफ मॉनसून हो गया। अब कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जो इस चैप्टर से बनते हैं और उन क्वेश्चंस को हम लोग देखेंगे। देखो पहला क्वेश्चन जो है वो पहला क्वेश्चन ये है, इन द मंथ ऑफ समर, इन द मंथ ऑफ समर राजस्थान, in the month of summer Rajasthan experiences what? Rajasthan experiences events of heat, temperature rises to 50 degrees Celsius, but on the same time, the temperature of what? Temperature of Jammu and Kashmir, a place near Jammu and Kashmir, Pahalgam, not minus, near Pahalgam the temperature is what? 20 degrees Celsius। so why this is a 30 degree difference between the places which are not situated far away। okay, so Pahalgam 20 degrees Celsius, Rajasthan 50 degrees Celsius। what is the reason?
Wind is not arrived on the temperature and precipitation।
no, anyone else? okay, इस क्वेश्चन पर हम लोग लौट के आएंगे, रीजन अभी नहीं बता रहा, रीजन पर। हाँ बताओ। No, this is not coastal area ना, this is the area of Jammu and Kashmir, Pahalgam। so Pahalgam has 20 degrees Celsius temperature and Rajasthan is 50 degrees Celsius temperature।
The altitude,
this is what altitude, due to what? altitude। okay, अब altitude से क्यों होता है, कैसे होता है, वो बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है। okay, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है, इन द मंथ ऑफ विंटर, इन द मंथ ऑफ विंटर, इन द मंथ ऑफ विंटर द्रास is a place near Kashmir, Dras experience minus 45 degrees Celsius। Do you know what they mean by -45? At 0 degrees Celsius, water starts freezing at 0 degrees Celsius. And -1, -2, -3, -10, -45. That's the winter last experience -45 degrees Celsius. And on the same time, when there is a winter in the northern part of India and in the southern part of India, on the same time winter, Kerala and Tamil Nadu experiences but a temperature of 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. And what is the reason behind that? What is the reason behind that? Latitude. So why latitude? Because
Sir, when you go up,
because
Kerala and the no water part.
because Kerala and Tamil Nadu are the low latitude areas. They lies on the equatorial region or tropical region. ठीक है? Okay. Third question. सीधे बैठ. Third question क्या है? Third question ये है कि yes, in the parts of Meghalaya or in the parts of northeast where we find Mawsynram, Cherrapunji and many other states, the precipitation is very high. But the precipitation, rainfall is like 400 centimeters. But if you compare the western areas like Rajasthan, like areas of Ladakh, like some areas of western UP, southern Punjab, precipitation is
Very low.
10 to 30 centimeters. What is the reason? Why? Due to wind as well as due to terrain. Due to what? Terrain. Okay, because what? If there is no barrier, if there is no barrier in the direction of winds, then ultimately what happened? There will be no rainfall. Okay. Why we have a good monsoon? Because Himalaya is what? Himalaya stop the monsoon winds. Okay, and force them to rain. Otherwise, what will happen if Himalaya is not on the part of India? What will happen? Monsoon wind will go to Siberia. Okay, and Indian subcontinent will become very dry. It will become a cold and dry desert. Okay, okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन का जवाब आप लोग मेरे को दे दो कि इन इंडिया मोस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया रिसीव रेनफॉल इन द मंथ ऑफ जून टू सितंबर बट सम पार्ट हैव रेनफॉल फ्रॉम अक्टूबर टू नवंबर व्हाई retreating of monsoon. Okay, good. Next question. Okay, last question is this: in the month of summer, the places like Aligarh. In the month of summer, near the last week of May and the first week of June, the temperature of Aligarh is near about 46 degrees Celsius to 47 degrees Celsius. Okay, but the areas which lie near the equator, near the tropical regions, like what? Like Kerala and like what? Tamil Nadu. So in the same month, in the same summer season, Aligarh experiences 46 to 47 degrees Celsius, and Aligarh located in temperate zone because we lie but above the tropic of Cancer. But the states which are near to the equator, like the tropical region, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, on the same day, they experience a temperature of about 30 degrees Celsius. Why? Why we experience more temperature? Why we experience less temperature?
Rays of sun. So also it is also the retreating of monsoon.
What?
The rays of sun.
No, there is no northward movement of the sun. सन अगर नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में है तो नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में केरला तमिलनाडु है, नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में हमारा अलीगढ़ है. रीजन बताओ.
Sir, sea is distance.
यस, डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सी. ठीक है, तो ये सारे क्वेश्चंस को अब हम जब अपने क्या पढ़ेंगे, हम क्लाइमेटिक कंट्रोल्स पढ़ेंगे, तो इन सारे क्वेश्चंस के जवाब अपने हमारे सामने आते जाएंगे. ठीक है, चलो 3 और क्वेश्चन हैं, छोटे मोटे क्वेश्चन, उनको ले लेते हैं. पहला क्वेश्चन है द व्हाई द हाउसेस ऑफ राजस्थान हैव थिक वॉल्स and flat roof. जो हाउस होते हैं राजस्थान के, they have flat roofs. They have roofs like that. They have flat roofs, flat roofs, and the walls of the house are very thick.
Sir, because वो जो सतह है वो जो घर तक है ज़्यादा गर्मी आता है.
Okay, conductivity. What do you mean by conductivity? Conductivity क्या है? If you take a iron rod and क्या करोगे? If you take a iron rod and heat it one side of iron rod, then whole of the iron rod is heated due to what conductivity. Okay. So क्या होता है? जितनी थिकनेस होगी उतनी कम कंडक्टिविटी हो जाएगी, तो क्या होगा? जो बाहर स्ट्रीम ऑफ हीट है 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस, वो अंदर तक नहीं आता है। ओके, तो हीट से बचने के लिए, ठीक है। दूसरा एक चीज और इन राजस्थान यू एक्सपीरियंस 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस of temperature on the daytime, but on the night time there is a temperature of 15 degrees Celsius. Why there is a large difference between the temperature of day and night in Rajasthan? Day temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, very good. Because the sand of Rajasthan is sandy soil. There are many sand dunes. So this is the property of sand. What? It heats very fast, cools very fast. Okay. 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 So why the reason they have flat roof? They have flat roof because there is little or very little rainfall in the Rajasthan, and they have thick walls, so that the temperature inside the room will moderate as compared to the outside temperature. Okay. Okay. Second question: why is that the houses of the Tarai region, Goa and Mangalore have sloping roofs? The region which lie on the southern slopes of Himalayas, Tarai region, Goa, Mangalore, they have what? They have sloping roofs. Why they have sloping roofs? As there is heavy rainfall and flat roofs जो होंगी वो गिर पड़ेंगी heavy rainfall. Okay, so they have what? They all have sloping roofs. Okay, last question. Last question is that why houses in the Assam are built on the stilts? Stilts are what? Stilts are sticks, or it is like bamboo sticks on which houses are made. Flood. Why? Because the areas of Assam are most flood prone areas. Okay. So to what? To save themselves from the floods, जो flood water है घर के अंदर ना घुस जाए, तो वो अपने घर बनाते हैं स्टिल्ट्स पर। स्टिल्ट्स क्या है? 3 डंडे लिए उसके ऊपर घर बना। अगर यहाँ बाढ़ आई भी की तो हम कैसे रहेंगे? सेफ रहेंगे। ओके। ओके। व्हाट? क्या हुआ? क्या बोल रहे हो? अच्छा, व्हाई दे डोंट शिफ्ट टू अनदर हाउसेस? अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ ये भी ठीक है। क्या है कि वो शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं अपने घरों को, यही ना? शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं, ये तो बोल रहे हो? हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है, ये भी ठीक, ये भी कर सकते हैं कि स्ट्रीट्स पर घर बनाया है तो क्या होगा? मतलब हाँ, उसको मतलब अगर मान लो घर गिर गया या फिर उसको इधर से उधर हटाना है तो आसानी से हटा दे। पक्का हाउस को तो नहीं हटा पाओगे ना, बन गया जब बाढ़ आए। ओके, नाउ द इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक, दैट इज द वर्ड क्लाइमेटिक कंट्रोल्स। तो क्लाइमेटिक कंट्रोल्स में climatic controls are what? Climatic controls are the factors which affect the climate. So these are the factors which affect the climate. First point, altitude. Altitude के बाद altitude क्या है? Altitude का मतलब ये है कि as on increasing the altitude, temperature starts decreasing. Means what? As you go up the height, temperature will start decreasing. Okay, but why? Because as you start increasing, you will go to near the sun. Then why you don't experience what? बोलो बेटा, क्या बोल रहे हो? Okay, so we experience heat not because of the rays of the sun, because rays of the sun are reflected. This is the property of light. Light is what? Bounce back. By striking on the surface, it bounce back. Okay, so we experience heat because of the radiation. What radiation? Okay, on the lithosphere, atmosphere is very dense. Okay, and there are many dust particles that are present in the atmosphere. So what happened? When sun rays strikes on the surface, it becomes hot. and the heat we observe is because of the atmosphere, not because of the sun. Okay, so it is a property of atmosphere कि denser जो atmosphere है वो क्या है, ज़्यादा heat को अपने अंदर trap करके रखेगा. Okay, okay. दूसरी property क्या है? It's a property of air. When you heat up the air, it becomes lighter and rises up. And when it rises up, it doesn't have the capacity to hold the heat of the sun. Okay. Next point is what? Next point is this: lithosphere. Some of the heat is absorbed by lithosphere. That is why maximum heat you experience on the surface, and as the height increases, temperature start decreasing. Okay. Now let's see. We measure any height from sea level. Any of the height we measure from sea level. Okay. Because we assume that sea are covered very difficult areas which are on the low levels of the earth. Okay. So if there is a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius on the sea level, and if you achieve a height of 122 meters, you achieve a height of 122 meters. So on achieving on going a height of 122 meters from the ground or from the sea level, temperature decreased by 1 degree Celsius. If you go by one more 122 degrees Celsius into 44 meter, then what happens? Temperature will decrease by 2 degrees Celsius, and so on. Okay. So this is the height of I think 2 meters. So लगा लो 122 मीटर कितनी हाइट होगी, और जैसे ही 122 मीटर की हाइट पर जाओगे 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर कम होगा. तो इसीलिए क्या है, दैट इज व्हाई द पीक्स ऑफ द माउंटेन्स, दैट इज व्हाई द पीक्स ऑफ द माउंटेन्स आर ऑलवेज कवर्ड विद स्नो. ओके. और व्हेन देयर इज अ एक्सट्रीम हीट इन राजस्थान और इन द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर, the hilly area or the hill station have moderate climate. That is why we go to the hill stations in the summers now, because due to the region of altitude, they have less temperature or moderate temperature. Okay. Next point, latitude. Next point is latitude. Okay. So what are the effects of latitude? Okay. So if we move from the lower latitude areas to the higher latitude areas, the temperature start decreasing. Okay. So let us check which are the low latitude areas and which are the high latitude areas. Suppose this is equator, 0 degree. It is what? Low latitude. 0 is the low latitude. This is what? Cancer, Capricorn. This is what? Tropical zone, tropical or torrid zone. Maximum heat of the earth received by this zone, and this is 23. As you move on the higher latitudes like 40, 50, 60, है ना? थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. 60, 70, and this is what 90. Pole is what 90. So as you move from lower latitude areas to the higher latitudes, temperature will start decreasing. It means what? The places which are near the tropical region or near the low latitude have warmer climate or have the heat. But as you move from lower latitudes to the higher latitudes or towards the poles, you will experience decrease in the temperature. That is why when there is a temperature of 2, 3, 5 degrees Celsius in the winter in Aligarh, the temperature of Tamil Nadu and Kerala will remain same 18 to 20 degrees Celsius throughout the year. Not because of the sea, because that area lies under the tropical region or on the low latitude area. Okay, ये दूसरा रीजन था. तीसरा रीजन है, तीसरा क्या है? प्रेशर एंड विंड सिस्टम. So what are pressure and wind system? Pressure may be high pressure or low pressure. High pressure or low pressure. And wind may be hot wind or cold wind. So it is a process that wind always moves from high pressure to low pressure area, and wind may be cold wind or hot wind. So if a wind is blowing from a temperate region or if a wind blowing from polar region, then the wind will be a cold wind. Or if a wind that is moving from tropical regions to temperate or cold, that wind will be hot wind. Okay, so what will happen when when a hot wind when a hot wind strikes with any place, so it will makes what? It will makes the weather of that place hot. Like what? Like Loo. When Loo strikes in the parts of Uttar Pradesh, Western Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, it will done what? Increase the heat. Okay. But in the winters, when the winds which are coming from Himalayas or the wind which are coming from Siberia, so that winds will what? So those winds are very cold, and those winds will make what? Make the atmosphere or make the area that they strike cold. This process is known as advection. This process is known as advection. So advection is what? Advection is the process when a warm air makes the area warm or a cold area makes the area cold.